In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add technical ratings indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Before we jump into the clicks, let me quickly explain what we're doing. The technical ratings indicator in TradingView pulls together a bunch of popular technical indicators, like moving averages and oscillators, and summarizes them into a simple rating, such as buy, sell, all, or neutral. It doesn't replace your own analysis, but it can be a really helpful visual tool to quickly gauge the overall technical sentiment on a chart. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open for any asset you want to analyze. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the button labeled Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in scripts, community scripts, and tools live. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators window. Inside this window, you'll see several categories and tabs. What we're interested in here is the Technicals section. This is designed specifically for tools related to technical analysis. Click on the Technicals option so that TradingView filters the list and shows you the indicators that fall under that category. Now that you're in the right section, look for the search bar at the top of the Indicators window. This search bar makes it much faster to find exactly what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through a long list. Click into the search field to activate it. In the search bar, type Technical Ratings. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the results in real time. Once you see Technical Ratings appear in the list of indicators, click on it. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added to your chart, usually appearing in a separate panel below your price chart, or as an overlay depending on the default settings. After adding it, you might want to fine-tune how it looks or behaves. To do that, hover your mouse over the name of the technical ratings indicator on your chart, then click on the settings icon next to it. This opens a settings window where you can adjust things like style, visibility, and sometimes specific calculation options. Take a moment to tweak these settings so the indicator is easy for you to read and fits with your chart layout. If at any point you decide you don't want the technical ratings indicator on your chart, you can remove it just as easily. Open the same settings menu for the indicator, and this time choose the remove option. That will immediately clear it from your chart without affecting any of your other indicators or drawings. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more tools, additional indicators, and an ad-free experience, check out the sign-up link in the video description. Using that link, you can create or upgrade your account and start taking full advantage of these technical features right away.